Hi everyone, to use select in React.js to give the selected value and also other properties which are essential in React.js. So let's get started. So first of all, I created a select React component file, and also I put it in the app.js. So I will write my code here. So first I will use the bootstrap to design it. Container padding should be top 5 and margin top 5. Now I will write the select statement, select tag. Okay, after I will write the options. You can write options in here in array, then map them here. Okay, but I will just simply write like this: select country, the first one. Okay, and also let's do this instead of this. Let's write Afghanistan and India and Pakistan. So now whenever we click and the selected value, so that should be selected and also print that to us. So let's first I will call a function and event on change. Whenever we change, get selected value, and now I will create a state here, const select value, select value is equal to, I will use state hook, by default nothing, and use state hook as imported. So now I will create this function. Okay, get selected value. Okay, now I will create that, and the event will pass to this. And here I will, what I should do, I will cast it, set select value, and I will use the event target value. Now here I will use the select, the value should be is equal to the select value. Okay, to this one, select value, and also I will assign a class name here is equal to forum select. So let's run it and see, and also I will print the selected value here under the div. The friend that would be select v, and also it should have, let's check it. Yeah, we have select country. Let's check it, see it, we have printed, see it, we have this, and the value is selected here. So it was all about getting selected value in React.js. Thanks for watching.